Good day everyone. So today let me teach you on how to convert this PDF image into Word file using AI tool. So as you can see, every time I am going to copy the text here in PDF, I cannot copy this because it is in image form. So it is an image then converted into PDF. But we want to convert it into Word file so that we can copy the text. So here's what are we going to do. Kindly go to Google Chrome and type ccai.com. Okay, so kindly go to Google Chrome and type ccai.com. Okay, and then after that, you will be prompt here in this page or in this website. So you need to log in first. If you have your Google with you, you can log in via Google. And then once you're done logging in using your Google, you may now continue the process. So as you can see here in the chat portion, there is a clip. So you can click that clip and then upload the PDF file that you want to convert into text. So let's say this one. And then kindly write this prompt. Okay, so you can do any prompt, but this is my prompt. So you can copy this. So let's have kindly retype what is written in the PDF, and then after that it will automatically retype the PDF one, and then you can copy it and paste to Word file or to Google Docs or any written document that you want to paste this text. Okay, so that's it.